This song is not for you if you've never cried a river or had your heart broken in two. This song is not for you if every day you wake up the skies are blue. But this is for anyone, no matter how you break, the pain won't let you get through. But you try and you try, so they lie, they say that it's over.
If you love judging others, but you make the same mistake,
the song is not for you. If you think your name is Jesus and forget you're in need of grace.
But this is for anybody who needs a little mercy just to make it through the day.
Oh, but you try,
and you try,
still they lie.
Oh, they say that it's over for you.
Talk about it, be about it. Oh, Nisha.
10 seconds, Rome. Go, Rome! 16 seconds, go! Go, Rome, keep going. Keep going, brother. 25, 25.
We keep going!
Shotty!
Sorry, I was kidding. We're gonna stop.
3, 2, 1, go!
My daddy is the king, so hey, 'cause once we weren't a people, now we are the people of the Lord. Yeah. In my Father's house is where I'm gonna be. I am living in the royal family. I'm a servant and a son, and the deal's already done. Yes, this is my inheritance, right here, right here, right here, right here. Let me explain. I can understand why from the outside it's very hard.
Ho, ho. Jiggy, 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 can't you see? Oh, my soul, my shall be. Jiggy, 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 can't you see? Oh, my soul, my shall be.
I'm adopted in the royal family. I'm a servant and a son, and the deal's already done. This is my inheritance, right here, right here.
To the end of everyone. So that's what that activity was kind of about. We were to stop, look at it from a spiritual lens, as leaders, as Christians. We shouldn't be worrying too much about winning the race, but we should worry more about getting through the Papikaoli with the people around us. Support, patience, and use what you have. You only got a few resources. What's the
I am living in the royal family. I'm a servant and a son, and the deal's already done. Yeah, this is my inheritance, right here, right here, right here. Yeah.
Whoa! Time started. Go, go! Safety.
Coaches always amaze me, but my Father is always forgiving and full of mercy. And as long as He living, you'll never find me hungry or thirsty. In my Father's house is where I'm gonna be.
We're planning for the future. Our idea is to give back to our church.
Nice.
Some days I feel like I don't wanna do anything, 'cause I can't rid myself of all the pressure.
And every day life seems to get the best of me. I just gotta keep going forward.
I get scared and I try to find my own way, and I find myself running back to you.
Running,
And even though I can't see you, I feel you near. are mine. Have no fear. I have redeemed you. I will uphold you with my righteous hand. Why I could feel so alone, even though I believe that you love me.
Ooh, I get scared when I try to find my own way. I find myself running back to you. And even though I can't see you, I feel you near, and I can hear you whisper softly in my ear.
Have no fear, for I am with you. I have called you by name, and you are mine. Have no fear, I have redeemed you. I will uphold you with my righteous hand.
Oh, have no fear.
Even though the road may seem so long, trust to find your peace of mind.
And it'll take some time.
Take some time.
You just gotta be strong.